Welcome to my channel. Today's technical tips is to how to convert PDF to Word document. So let's start, and please subscribe to channel for more useful videos. Here I will discuss two easy way to convert a PDF file to Word document free. First way is PDF to Word convert using Google Drive. Open the Google Drive. Click on the plus icon and choose File Upload. Right-click on the PDF document and open with it using Google Docs. Now click on the file and after that download it as Microsoft Word. And your file will be saved as Word document. If the first method does not work for you, follow the second one. Open website Smallpt in any browser. I have written the full website URL in the description below. Upload the file. Uploading time depends on your internet speed and the size of the file. Follow the on-screen instruction to convert the file. So this is how you can convert any PDF file to Word document. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching, guys.